What's up, YouTube? So Brian and I are taking a trip for 2 weeks at the end of this month. And since we've ridden together, but we've never ridden and camped together. So we've never taken a trip like this. So I decided it would be a good idea for us to test our gear out and make sure everything works well on the bikes and make sure that we have a good time camping. So it's kind of a gear check, test ride check, compatibility check, the whole check, right? So this is what you're going to see. We spent Friday night out here at Lake Roosevelt and just had a blast. So I'm super duper looking forward to our upcoming trip. This is a little bit of a long video, but it's quite scenic and we had a blast. So I hope you enjoy. Well, most of your adventures are supposed to start out at Starbucks, but here we are, Brian and I. We just pulled in here to McDonald's in Quarters Junction. Yeah, let's go get a cup of coffee, shall we? Hey dude, I forgot my wallet at home. You want to let me borrow about $100? First things first. Brian's going to find out my little 5-gallon tank versus his 6.6 gallon tank. It's going to cause us to stop for fuel a little more often. Oh well, gives us a chance to stretch and oil our chains. All right, let's head up the mountain, shall we? Well, as you'll notice, it appears that I'm talking to nobody, but I actually have a Cardo installed in my helmet, and Brian does as well. So we're communicating back and forth, having a conversation. I wish that I could record that. I wish I had my helmet mic'd, and I will eventually. I was talking about the windshield. But here we are, 7,000 feet right here. This will be the highest elevation on this trip. And there's still snow on the ground. It was a little bit brisk, not too bad. It was pretty nice day. So from here we'll head down into Strawberry, Pine, and Payson, and then on into Tonto National Forest. You look very Arizona today, Brian.
Do I? Wonder.
Weird.
Oh,
Certainly is.
it's like full Arizona right now.
What are you drinking, Brian?
Coors Light.
Savage. PBR. We're drinking the common beers today.
Common beer.
Not ready to go camping though. Doesn't render well for the. What are we doing, Brian?
We're putting some beers in your backpack, bud.
Donate 5% to the Arizona Trail.
I like that.
6-pack takes up a lot more room than you would expect. Wish I would have got you a ninja chopping your way onto your bike. Spot right there. See it?
Yeah.
How cool, bro. What, man? What do you think? Let's go check out the water to see what we can find and then
come back.
Yep. Cool.
What?
I catch your leg.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
What are you doing, Brian?
Putting together my cot, Turtle.
You have a cot? Let's watch Brian assemble.
But thanks.
It's an 8x8.
Oh, it's huge. Where? What do you mean? Folds over. Yes, for your phone and
Put
keys.
your remote control there.
Yeah, and, you know, in case you need to change the channel.
That's awesome, dude.
Yeah.
I dig it.
Hey, Turtle. Just so you know, you'll need to put it together in your tent.
Oh no. Here, Brian?
It doesn't fit in the tent. I gotta put it together in the tent.
It is all turtle. I think so.
I would not.
Well, when you said cot, I was envisioning like a full cot. So Brian has given me permission. He's granted me entrance into the man tent to test out the mighty. What brand is that?
Marchway.
Marchway cot. The aluminum cot. Oh God. Here we go. I'm going in, Brian.
Did you going in?
I'm going in.
Oh yeah.
Oh God.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, pillows that way.
Pillows out there, aren't they?
Oh yeah. She's leaning a little bit to the.
Oh, there's like jackets there.
Oh yeah. Dude, this is not bad. Oh.
I can watch it when I get home.
Yeah. Look at this.
Lay down.
Oh, I'm laying. Yeah. This is comfy. We decided to come up here to Roosevelt. Didn't realize the water was so high. So we ended up in a campground. which is cool. Brian's gonna set the tent on fire later on because I got firewood. He doesn't know about it yet. We're gonna have a little campfire and he's gonna have some of this delicious cognac. It's the finest cognac on earth. Anyway, we ended up at a campground because it's the only place that's not underwater. All the dispersed camping is underwater. This works. Cool. What you cooking there, chef?
Some cauliflower rice.
Oh.
Scrambled egg. Protein bar. Not necessarily all in that order.
Where's my hot lips? All right. Cool little trailer here. Just woke up at 6:30 in the morning. I typically up when the sun's up. Go make some coffee. I hear a rustling. How'd you sleep, buddy?
Hey, pal.
You missed the sunrise, dude. It was fucking amazing about 8 minutes ago. Very nice. Look at the smooth flow. Double.
Welcome to Coffee with Turtle.
So then that goes in there.
It pushes it down, then you put the lid on.
You sippy sip.
Right on the same container.
All right, we decided to cruise up the road and check out the dam, which is just really cool spot. There's a road that goes into Apache Junction, which is basically the Phoenix area. It's a mostly dirt road, but because of fires and monsoons last year, it's washed out and closed, so we couldn't go that way. So after we got done checking out the bridge here and the dam, we went back into Payson, had some coffee, and Brian and I, we parted ways in Camp Verde, and I rode over through Jerome and Mingus Mountain back to the house. All in all, it was about a 350-mile trip. Pretty nice. I am super happy with the way the tires worked out, and you know, when I first got this Africa Twin, I wasn't in love with it at all. It wasn't my favorite bike. And it's growing on me, and I'm really kind of into it now. I've definitely seen eagles out here. So this is Theodore Roosevelt Lake. And from here, it is 43 miles down to Apache Junction, Brian.